Hi guys, Cliff here. It's a very rare evening insofar as the wind has dropped pretty much completely, although it's totally overcast, which won't make for a brilliant video. I'm going to do two videos tonight and I'll upload them separately. The first video is the Nieuport by Micro Aces with the new rocket set attached, and the other video is going to be the de Havilland 88 minimum RC Comet Racer, which has now been maidened, but it's going to be great to see that one going around the pole as well as the Nieuport. So here's the two models: the Nieuport with the rockets attached, balloon busters. The paperclip line is attached to a T bracket. See, it just goes through the fuselage. Nothing special. I don't know, I'll probably pass it through one of the rockets now. Actually, normally I put a rubber band on the tip, but I think I might just pass it through one of these two rockets. Should be fine. Let's see if we can't get the battery in. I've just changed the motor on this one because I had a problem with the other motor. It had a break somewhere in the motor line, close to the motor, and I really didn't want to start trying to fix it. Just wanted it to work. I didn't mean to take all this off. This was already extended. Found another motor that was already extended out. Probably need to go and get my tweezers in on it. Yes, that just all folds in nicely. It might do. I think the motor wire. There we go. Let's just test it. Okay. We'll connect it up. Angle it down there. I'm not sure, but it's going to rain, you know. That would add a bit more excitement. Okay. Look at that. That looks great. There's balloon busters. I need a balloon out here now. Opening the throttle a little bit. That's all I'm touching at the moment, is the throttle. As it goes higher, I might have to give it some right rudder though to stop it from blowing, because there is a small wind. I've really opened the throttle up. That's full throttle now. Oh, it's getting a bit of wind up there. Got to keep it low. Okay, I've just given it a bit of right rudder as I climb up there into wind, just to keep the line tight. Okay, let's bring her in. It's not going to be a very pretty landing, I'm afraid, but next circuit. There we go. Well, I'd say that was successful, guys. That's looked really sweet with those balloon busting rockets on board. That looks evil against the grey sky. Smashing. Right, let's unhook this one and get the other model connected up.